match the following. So first, virtual, erect and enlarge image. So that image we are getting in convex lens. So A answer is 2 here. Because virtual, erect and enlarge image we are getting in only convex lens. For B, virtual, erect and now it is diminished image we are getting that in concave lens, first one, right? Then now for 2, match the following. Column 1 have two focus. So lens has two focus, right? So 2 2 A 2 2 and B have one focus, so mirror have only one focus, so B2 1, right? So that is the answer of this. Match the following. Now second one, as side mirror in vehicle. So we are using convex lens. Why? Because that as side mirror here here there is printing mistake. We are not using lens, it is a convex mirror, right? So as side mirror in vehicle, that is convex mirror, right? And B used in shaving, that is a concave mirror, B to 2. Because see, as side mirror, why we are using convex mirror? Because convex mirror can give us image of larger view, means larger view in very small screen we can see by convex mirror. And for shaving we have to see tiny our image, very small image of our face also, right? So concave mirror just enlarge that image, so we can see that clearly. So that's why for shaving we are using concave mirror which enlarge the image. Then second, thick structure in middle, that is of here it is of converging lens. Thick structure, converging lens means convex lens, right? It is called convex lens. And thin structure in the middle, thin structure, if it is thin structure, it is diverging lens. Diverging lens means concave lens. Concave lens just diverges the rays, and convex lens just converge the rays, means focus the rays, right?